Hi everyone, my name is Jubran Ibrahim Shabish, and today we will presenting on key insights from my management accounting coursework. We will be focusing on budgeting, the concept of zero budgeting, uh, the concept of zero based budgeting, and how performance tools like limiting factor and throughput accounting can guide better decision making. Budgeting plays a strategic role in connecting financial planning with the overall business goals. In today's fast-changing markets, budgets need to be flexible and adaptable. Also, that's why approaches like zero-based budgeting or ZBB have emerged, forcing organizations to justify every experience rather than just rolling forward last year's numbers. Typical, uh, typical budgetary process. A typical budget starts with strategic planning, where a company sets its long-term vision and priorities. Next is forecasting using historical data, market trends, and analytics uh, analytics uh, to then comes formulation, uh, where individual departments prepare budgets that are merged into master budget. Finally, there is approval and monitoring, ensuring that spending aligns with the strategy, and adjustments are made if needed. Budgeting strategies explaining. In practice, budgeting strategies are informed by SWOT or PESTEL analysis, which helps set realistic objectives. Data analytics improves forecasting accuracy, allowing managers to make better predictions. Then we have budget consolidation, where all departmental budget are combined and checked for alignment. Implementation and monitoring. Once approved, the budget is activated, often through ERP systems that track spending in real time. Regular variance analysis compares actual results to the budget, highlighting any gaps to stay. Miguel, companies may use rolling budgets that update throughout the year. And of course, continuous feedback from managers ensures that budget remains relevant and supports business goals. Zero-based budgeting, ZBB. Zero-based budgeting is different from traditional budgeting. Instead of carrying over past figures, every expense must be justified from zero. This method forces managers to evaluate whether each cost directly supports the company's goals. ZBB can be very effective in removing out the data spending habits. For example, Kraft Heinz and Unilever have used it to improve efficiency and reallocate resources to higher priority areas. Zero-based budgeting, pros and cons. The main advantages of zero-based budgeting are transparency. Managers can clearly see where every dollar goes. Cost reduction, uh, unnecessary expenses are eliminated. Um, Strategic uh, alignment. Resources are directed to priority projects, but there are challenges. It's resource intensive and requires a lot of data. It can affect morale as departments may feel under constant scrutiny. Scrutiny. Uh, there is a risk of overcutting, removing support functions that are essential in the long run. Budgeting for performance. When budgeting is focused on performance, it supports three key functions: planning, control, uh, 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 and planning, control, uh, uh, and decisions. Planning using using scenario analysis and forecasting tools. Control tracking progress with the KPLS uh, dashboards and regular reports. Uh, Decision making using tools like cost volume, profit analysis, or activity-based costing to guide actions. Technology plays a huge role here in enabling real-time data access and faster decision making. Limiting factor uh, uh, with throughput accounting. Uh, in limiting factor accounting, LFA, the goal is to maximize profit by using the most constrained resource, such as machine hours or skilled labor as efficiently as possible. Introbot accounting, which comes from the theory of constraints. The focus is on maximizing the overall flow of output through the system, not just optimizing a single constraint. Conclusion. Thank you for your for your attention. Thank you to work up. Budgeting is not just about numbers. It is a strategic tool that that drives performance. Zero-based budgeting can be a powerful way to cut waste and reallocate resources, but it must be applied carefully. Uh, Thank you so much. Thank you for your listening. Thank you.